Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to make avocado face pack. First of all, I want to show you. Here I have shown two types of avocados. One is in green color, another one is in blackish color. The green one is the raw one, and the black one is the ripe one. So here I am going to take the black one. Whenever you are bringing the avocado, please take one small piece of avocado to make facial or face pack. Take one small piece of avocado. See guys, I have taken the avocado from the peel. So now I am going to tell you what are the benefits of avocado. Avocado will smooth the skin condition, it prevents skin damage, it improves skin elasticity, and then it minimizes breakouts, it improves overall skin, it prevents dry skin also, and it is good for wrinkle out skin also. So here I have taken half piece of avocado. So now I am going to blend this one. If you don't want to blend, you can mash it with the help of spoon also. Better to blend it guys, because you will get a smooth paste. So now I am going to shift this thing in a blender. So now my next ingredient is potato. I have used potato in many videos, you can see. So potato will keeps our skin glowing, it works as a bleach. One thing I want to tell you guys, when you are grinding this avocado, you should not add water. So here I have grind this one because I have taken very less piece. I am going to add in it potato also. As I told you in my previous videos, potato will remove the dark circles. If you are applying the potato under your eyes, it will banish those under eye dark circles also. It treats for wrinkles also, and it will eliminate dark spots. It treats sunburn, and also it helps to lighten your skin. It is the best natural bleach is available in the potato. It will treat for skin, dry skin also. It will exfoliate skin and also remove the dead cell from your skin also. So here I have taken very small piece of potato. I want to tell you the importance of potato, so I am doing slowly guys. So I have peeled this one. Let me wash this and then I will add with the avocado and I will blend it. See guys, I have grinded this one, potato and avocado together. First I have grinded the avocado, then I have put potato slices and I have grinded well. I have not added water, anything. So now I am going to add in it rose water. As you all know guys, rose water is good for our skin. It will keeps your skin cleansing. It will cleanse your skin, and then it will works as a natural oil. It helps to reduce the look of temporary redness. It helps to naturally hydrate. It has antioxidant properties that nourishes and protect the skin. And as you all know, the rose water will smells good. It can help to prevent the fine lines and wrinkles and diminish the look of exciting ones also. So here I am going to take 1 spoon of rose water. See, this is a big spoon, so here I have taken 1 spoon of rose water in it. And then so my next ingredient is olive oil. Here I am using olive oil. If you are not having olive oil, you can use either coconut oil or else almond oil, or else you having grape oil also you can use. So here I am going to take 1 spoon of olive oil. Olive oil is good for our skin. It is having antioxidant properties, and then it is having vitamin A, D, E and K also. It is having it will moisture your skin. So it is having antibacterial properties. I am using the same 1 spoon quantity of olive oil also. Last but not least, here I am having lemon. As you all know guys, lemon is with highly nutrition value. It may support oral health also. It is high in antioxidant. It may have antibacterial and antimicrobial, antifungal properties in it. It may boost your skin also. It prevents cancer. Lemon contains vitamin C. It reduces the skin damage and premature aging. Due to the pH level of lemon can increase the oil on the skin and can reduce the inflammation also. So it is basically antifungal properties. It is having skin lightening properties also. So here I have taken half lemon because this lemon is very small. You can, or else you can measure it into a 1 spoon. If you are having sensitive skin, you can take it 2 to 3 drops, enough. Here I am taking 1 spoon of lemon juice. That's it guys. I am going to blend it again. See guys, I have grinded well without lumps. I have grinded well without lumps. Can you see? So now our face pack is ready. And you can store this face pack for minimum 5 days guys. First, it will not be expired. You can keep it in a refrigerator for minimum 5 days. It will be good. And the main thing of this pack is you have to use weekly twice to get best results. Whenever you are buying avocado, take a piece of avocado for your facial and it will 100% its work guys, and then it will give you good result. So, and it is remove the wrinkles also, main thing. If you are having sagging neck also, no, if you are applying on your neck, you can see all your problems will be solved. So see, my pack is ready. You can see the consistency. So now I will show you how to use this pack. I am going to have a brush and then just apply this. First of all, you have to wash your face and then you have to apply this on your face and leave it for minimum 20 minutes and then wash it off, and you can see the magic of this pack. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Kindly share among your friends and family members so that they also get the benefit. Thank you. Bye bye.